get stuck in the mud at night, like what do? I'll show you what you do. Check if you're like totally sitting on the frame or not. Now you can see here that my frame is just barely under the water, so I'm not sitting on the frame. It means the tires are just stuck. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the traction boards off the roof, okay? And then we're gonna tuck those under the front wheels, put her in 4-wheel drive, and pull her out. If you don't have traction boards, the other option is shovel. If you don't have a shovel, what are you doing going through mud puddles? Don't forget to wear your muck boots if you're going to be going in the mud. All right, we got the traction boards on the roof. We can get those guys out. Man, these things are sick, okay? These are the cheap knockoff ones. They're not Max Tracks. Ugh. But they're like 60 bucks a pair on Amazon, and they work great. So, they got nubby little things, and yeah, you just jam them under the tire. I'm gonna show y'all when I get out. So I'm putting them under the front tire because I want to go forwards. If you want to go back, put them under the back tire. Or get 4 of them and put them under all your tires. All right, so now make sure the water doesn't come up over your muck boots, and then you're gonna jam this guy into the mud under that front tire. Give yourself something to get traction on. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put her in 4 high because 4 low isn't gonna give us. We need to spin to get some traction. All right. All right. And voila, you're unstuck. Now all you gotta do is find your traction board. If you use these in snow, they also dig down into the snow if you're in it real deep. And they float if you put them upside down on top of the water. So the other one should be right here somewhere. Yep, there. Oh, that one's deep in there. Fishing, calling fishing. I'm noodling for my traction board. I might be wrong. That might just be gravelly dirt. Yeah, that's gravelly mud. So, this is the downside. There it is. Got it under my boot. Oh yeah. There she is. So as you can see, these can be very effective. Also, if you have a winch, just use your winch. So, that's what you do with traction boards. That's how you use them. All right, let's get these guys back on the roof. So, that is how you get unstuck. If you're stuck at night, it helps sometimes to have people with lights, but you know, it's not necessary. You can do it in the dark. Yeah. Oh yeah, no, we're good. What? No, we're trying to get stuck on purpose to show how to get unstuck, but I'm having a really hard time getting stuck.
Oh, you're taking a video.
I'm a 2-wheel drive, and I like can't get stuck. So I don't know.
Just do a few donuts, you'll be fine.
Right?
Yeah. All right.
Have a good night. Don't you slow down. You got it, you got it, you got it. Nice.